So do you want to turn your Windows 11 PC or laptop into a fully working Android TV? Today in this video, I will be showing you the easiest step-by-step method to install the Android TV on your Windows 11 computer. And the very first thing, you have to make sure that the virtualization has been enabled on your PC or your laptop from the BIOS. And in order to know whether your virtualization has been enabled or not, you can make a right click on the taskbar, click on Task Manager, click on Performance from the left hand side, click on CPU, and then here on the right hand corner you will find the virtualization, and on my end you can see it's been enabled, so I'm good to go. But if it shows you disabled, then you will have to enable it from the BIOS. So you can enter the BIOS, look for the virtualization option and enable it. This option can be different depending on which manufacturer you're using. Alright, so once you have enabled the virtualization, now next you can bring up any of your browser and you need to search for Android Studio. On the very top only you will be getting the first website, download Android Studio and app tools. You need to click on it and then click on download Android Studio Panda 4. Here scroll down to the bottom, check the agreement box, click on download Android Studio again, and the downloading of the Android Studio will be started and it may take a while, so you will have to wait until it's all been done. Alright, so once downloaded, now you can click on the downloaded file and go with the basic installation of this Android Studio. So you need to click on next and wait until the installation is being completed. And then you will be coming to this kind of dashboard, Android Studio setup wizard. So you will have to click on next. Standard or custom, so we will go with the standard only. And again it will be downloading some important sources, so you will have to wait again for a while. And once it gets completed, you will have to click on finish. And this time the Android Studio dashboard will be up. So here where it says more actions, you need to click on the drop down and choose virtual device manager. Click on it. Then click on create virtual device. Then from the left hand side, you will have to click TV. On the right hand side, you can choose the resolution of Full HD, that is 180 pixel. Select it, click on next. Now we have to name the TV here. So I can just rename like FHD TV, that will be for fully HD TV. And then I don't have to make any changes. The system image will be selected to Android TV Intel x86 Atom system image. So finally, you will have to click on finish. And it may ask you to download the Android TV Intel x86 Atom system image. So you need to click on yes. And let's wait for some more time until it's all been done. And once it gets completed, you will have to click on finish. And your Android virtual TV will now be configured and installed. So what we have to do in order to install it, we need to select it. On the right of it, you will find the play icon. You need to click on it. And very soon the Android TV will be loading up and it will be coming up like this. Now here only the drawback is like you won't find that it will be coming in the full screen. So if you are okay with this, if you are okay with this kind of resolution on your PC or your laptop, you can enjoy it. But if you want to make it in a full screen, then what you have to do, we will be creating a hotkey for that. So again, bring up any of your browser and then you need to search for autohotkey.com. You will have to come to this website. Click on download here. Click download version 2.0. And it's a small file, so it will be quickly downloaded. So click on the downloaded file. And a small box will be coming up. It says install too, so you can click on install. And then finally the dashboard of autohotkey will be up. And here on the very top only, you will find an option of new script. So you need to click on it. It says untitled, so we can rename it to FHD TV. And we have to change its location where exactly we have to save. And I would recommend you to save it on your desktop. On the right of it, you will find the folder icon. You need to click on it. And choose the desktop from the left hand side and click on save. Now you can click on create. Alright, so this time on your desktop you will find a hotkey has been created by fhdtv.ahk. So now make a right click on it and then click on edited notepad. A notepad will be up. Now I will be leaving a command, a script in the pinned comment. You need to copy that and paste here in the fhdtv.ahk. Now after pasting it, you have to make some changes. On the very top where it says emulator path, you have to paste your own path. And in order to get this path, what do you have to do? Make a right click on Windows icon, click on run. And here you have to type a very simple command that will be %local app data, %again, and click on OK. And here you have to look for the Android folder. So look for it, make a double click on it to open it. Then click on SDK. And in the SDK, you have to look for emulator folder, open it. And then you need to copy this path here. So make a right click on it, choose copy and paste here in between the inverted commas. Now after this path, just type /emulator.exe. Alright, so make sure you do not make any mistake. Just type emulator.exe. Then below where it says AVD name, so you have to type your TV name. And if you're not sure, then you can bring up your Android TV. And here in the device manager, you will find the name of your TV, that is FHD TV. So I will type the same name, FHD TV. And one more time, below where it says Windows title, on the right of it, you will find television 180 pixel. You also need to change it. I will type here as well, FHD TV. And that's it. Now you can click on file and click on save. And then you can close it. And now in order to make your Android TV in the full screen, what do you have to do? Just make a double click on this hotkey you created on the desktop. So now your Android TV will be in the full screen and you can enjoy it. You can enjoy all kind of channels. You can enjoy the Play Store. Whatever you want to, everything will be listed here. And it works very flawlessly without any kind of lag or without any kind of problem. And that's all guys for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, found this information useful. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.